Hello viewers, Aslam here from Latest Flex. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can buy a domain in using GoHighLevel. So it's a super easy process. Let's log in your sub account where you want to buy a domain and go to setting, and in a setting you see domain here. Just click on it. You want to connect domain and you want to purchase domain, it's up to you, but right now I'm going to purchase domain. I just put my domain here and just click on a search button. And after that I check my domain available or not. If you want any other domain, just you can check all the other domains that are available, but for now I'm going to buy this domain and simply say agree and just buy it. It will take few seconds, and the payment method is attached with the GoHighLevel, so it will be automatically purchased. So you see domain is purchased, and here we are setting up your domain. And once your setting up domain is done, we will just simply click on a configure domain, and we will configure with our funnels, with our website, and wherever you want to use domain. It's super easy, you can edit it, and even you can use outside the GoHighLevel as well with just put your CNAME and other records and DNS record, and you can use it anywhere outside the GoHighLevel as well. So buying domains from GoHighLevel is super easy, and it's a very good option because they are not much extra like other platform are charging you when on a renewal. So yeah, that's it. Let me refresh it and I will check it. It's configured, so I will link with funnel or website as well, so you will get idea how it's work. So it's take some time. It will take 5 minutes, but after 5 minutes we are able to do this. So right now here you see our domain is active. So what we are going to do, we are going to configure here. You can update your records here, but right now I'm not going to add record here. I just simply go to back in a GoHighLevel, and here just go to the site, and I'm just go to link the site with domain. Let's click on it, and here go to setting, and here we have nothing right now, but let me go to domain area again, and I will integrate domain to the configure, and it will say add record, but right now I'm not going to add record here. So simply go to setting area, just you see connection this domain, and select this domain and select continue, and where you want to add, just simply add manual this record to your wherever you want to add this this to in your area. I just verify it's automatically. It's super easy, and when it verifies, so after that you can link with your funnels, with your website, and wherever you want to link on your landing page, on your website, on your store. Even you can link with your calendars and booking page as well. It will take few seconds, and then after that your domain will be. So that found another solution. I just add a C record here in DNS record, and after that what we are going to do, we are going to just verify, because it's not automatically picking the C record, so that's why I add manual. I just copy this C record and put in the DNS record, so hopefully it will be verified right now. So my DNS is done, so let me link with funnel. So right now I just select this funnel, I just say proceed. You can link with website, you store with blog as well. So I just for now link with this funnel. So right now my domain is working and my domain is linked with funnel as well. I just go back and go to the sites, and here I can see domain is linked. So I just go to this domain and check. It's taking some time, provision time, but after that your domain is linked and it's working properly. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much. If you want any GoHighLevel services, so simply go to latestflex.com and book your free consultation. I will mention link in description box below as well. I will jump on a call and I will guide you how you can do all this stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video.